Welcome back to Teach Me Something YouTube channel. In today's video, I will explain about Elecrow, all-in-one Arduino starter kit. It is having 15 sensors. This is I2C LCD. We can display any sensor reading here. This is servo motor. One linear potentiometer provided here. It will be useful to vary the position and get readings. One microphone. One LED, one push button. One IR receiver. One PIR sensor. HCSR04 ultrasonic distance sensor. One buzzer. One relay module. One light sensor. One 3-axis accelerometer and gyro 2.0 sensor. One DHT20 sensor which can read temperature and humidity value. In middle area they have provided the Arduino UNO board. Now I will tell you how to test this kit using Arduino program. Connect the Type-C cable to Arduino kit and your laptop. After connecting, power LED will be on. First we will do the simple LED blinking program to test the LED. LED is connected with pin D10. So use pin D10 in the program. This is the LED blinking program. For uploading this program to your kit, choose the port number and choose Arduino UNO board. Next click the upload button. It will take 2 to 5 seconds to upload the program to your kit. After uploading, it will show done uploading message here. Now you check the LED. It will start to blink every 1 second. I will explain you how to test remaining sensors by using this kit in next videos. So watch all the videos or watch my Elecrow playlist videos to understand how to use this Elecrow all-in-one kit. See you in next video.